What if I told you this legendary 1968 Plymouth Road Runner packs a fire-breathing 440 V8, a 4-speed manual, and enough muscle to leave modern performance cars in the dust? Let's hear it roar! If you think modern muscle cars are exciting, wait until you experience one of the most iconic machines ever built. This is the 1968 Plymouth Road Runner, finished in stunning petty blue and powered by a legendary Mopar 440 cubic inch V8. It's loud, it's raw, and it represents an era when horsepower ruled the streets. The moment you lay eyes on this Road Runner, you immediately understand why it has become one of the most desirable American muscle cars ever created. Every angle captures the aggressive styling that made Plymouth a serious competitor during the golden age of muscle. The bright, petty blue paint gives this classic and unmistakable presence, while the famous Road Runner graphics remind everyone that this car was built for one thing: performance. Walk around the exterior and you'll notice beautiful new chrome that sparkles against the deep blue finish. Every trim piece has been restored to complement the muscular body lines. The stance is perfect, sitting confidently on aluminum wheels wrapped with BFGoodrich Radial T tires. Up front, the 225/70 R15 tires provide responsive steering, while the wider 275/60 R15 rear tires help put all that incredible big block power to the pavement. Open the hood and you're greeted by one of the greatest engines Mopar ever produced. Sitting proudly in the engine bay is the legendary 440 cubic inch V8. This powerhouse is equipped with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, delivering massive airflow and instant throttle response. Every press of the accelerator unleashes a wave of torque that reminds you exactly why big block Mopars earned such an incredible reputation. But this Road Runner isn't just about horsepower, it's about driver involvement. Bolted behind the 440 is a genuine Mopar 4-speed manual transmission. Every shift is mechanical, every gear change feels purposeful, and every acceleration run connects you directly to the machine. There are no electronic driving modes here, just pure American muscle at its finest. Sending all that power to the pavement is a sure-to-grip rear end equipped with aggressive 391.1 gears. That combination provides explosive launches, strong acceleration through every gear, and the kind of thrilling driving experience enthusiasts dream about. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or enjoying an open highway, this drivetrain delivers excitement every single time. Despite its race-inspired personality, this Road Runner also offers surprising comfort. It comes equipped with air conditioning, making summer cruises enjoyable even on the hottest days. Power steering allows the car to feel lighter and easier to maneuver, while front disc brakes provide confident stopping power that improves safety without sacrificing the classic driving experience. Step inside and the blue vinyl interior immediately transports you back to 1968. The front split bench seat offers a unique combination of comfort and vintage styling, while the matching rear bench continues the factory-inspired design throughout the cabin. The blue vinyl headliner ties the interior together beautifully, creating a clean and cohesive appearance. The floor-mounted 4-speed shifter becomes the centerpiece of the cabin, constantly reminding the driver that this Road Runner was engineered for enthusiasts. Just ahead sits a beautiful wooden steering wheel that feels both classic and sporty in your hands. The factory-style dashboard preserves the authentic appearance, while factory gauges work alongside discrete aftermarket gauges to provide additional engine information without taking away from the original look. One feature that always brings a smile is the famous Road Runner horn. Instead of an ordinary horn, this car proudly delivers the iconic beep-beep sound that became one of the most recognizable signatures in automotive history. It's a fun detail that perfectly captures the playful personality Plymouth gave this legendary muscle car. The quality of this restoration extends well beyond what you can see from above. Underneath, The chassis has been finished in semi-gloss black, creating an exceptionally clean presentation. New brake lines, new fuel lines, a new gas tank, fresh hardware, and a new band clamp exhaust system demonstrate the attention to detail invested throughout this build. Even the finished trunk reflects the same level of craftsmanship, showing that every part of the vehicle has received careful consideration. Cars like this don't simply represent transportation, they represent an unforgettable chapter in American automotive history. The 1968 Road Runner was introduced as a performance bargain, giving enthusiasts incredible horsepower without unnecessary luxury. Yet today, these cars have become highly sought-after collector vehicles because they perfectly capture the spirit of the late 1960s muscle car era. Finding a Road Runner with the legendary 440 V8 is already special. Pair that engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, sure grip differential, 3.91 gears, desirable petty blue paint, factory-inspired blue interior, and an exceptionally detailed restoration. And you've got a combination that collectors actively search for. Every startup announces its arrival with the unmistakable rumble of American V8 power. Every shift through the gears reminds you why manual transmissions continue to capture enthusiasts' hearts. Every glance from pedestrians proves this Road Runner still commands attention nearly 6 decades after it first rolled off the assembly line. Vehicles of this caliber don't appear often, especially when restored to such a high standard while retaining the classic personality that made them famous. It's a machine equally comfortable at prestigious car shows, weekend cruises, and collector events where enthusiasts appreciate authentic Mopar performance with an asking price of $149,900. This 1968 Plymouth Road Runner represents far more than a classic automobile. It represents history, craftsmanship, performance, and timeless American engineering wrapped into one unforgettable package. If you enjoyed this incredible 1968 Plymouth Road Runner, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another legendary muscle car feature. Which classic Mopar would you park in your dream garage? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next adventure.